Hi, welcome to Road to 100 Conquests. Two cubes are cut from a cuboid of length, breadth, height 5 meter, 4 meter, 3 meters such that the cuts are parallel to the sides of the cuboid. Maximum possible volume. Since the side is 3 meters, smaller side, the maximum cube that can be cut is 3 by 3 by 3. The maximum cube that can be cut is, which is 27 cubic meters, maximum. Now once you cut 3 by 3 by 3, okay, let's say 3 by 3 by 3. Let's say this is 5 and the height is 4. So what is left is 1 meter is left out here, 2 meters left out here. Now, and your breadth is 3. You can cut further 2 by 2 by 2 cube. Because of this extra 2 which is there, you can cut a further extra cube of 2 by 2 by 2. So if you can cut a cube of 2 by 2 by 2 which is 8, so total volume becomes 35. B option. More of an imagination aspect. The moment you cut a cube, you take a cuboid. Okay, just imagine it. Okay, let's say the height is 4, width is 3 and 5. So once you cut a 3 by 3 by 3, it goes like this. Something like that. Gets cut. So this 2 is left. So once this 2 is left, you can cut one more cube of this 2 by 2 by height 2. Right? This was 3. You can cut one more cube of 2 by 2 by 2. So that is the maximum that you can cut. So that means the total volume that you can cut 2 cubes is 35. A is total of 5 liters. This type of sum, it makes sense to go reverse and solve because finally you have 3 and 2 liters. Total 5 liters, right? Finally you have 3 and 2 liters. Okay, well, let's start 3 liters and 2 liters finally. P and Q. Now what happens? You have added, poured from Q to P to double the amount of water present in P. That means before this there was 1.5 liters in P. So which means there was 3.5 liters in Q before this step. Now, before this what has happened? 1 liter of water is poured from P to Q. Reverse it. So it becomes 2.5 liters and 2.5 liters. So equal volume of P and Q. That's the initial part. So the ratio becomes 1:1. D option. So go from back and reverse the process. The moment you reverse the process, you should be able to get the answer quickly. The answer will be D option, 1:1. Ratio of time taken by A and B to cross a stationary man is 2:5. So you can take like 2 is the time and 2x is the time and 3x is the time for A and B. And ratio of the lengths of the two trains is, let's say 3y and 2y. So speed of train A is nothing but length of the train upon the time taken to cross a stationary man, which nothing but comes to 3y upon 2x. And same as speed of B will be 2y upon 3x. So 2:5 is the ratio, 5. So it becomes 5x upon 2y, So 2y upon 5x. So if we look at the ratio of the speeds, ratio of the speed is nothing but the ratio, if you look at it, is 3y upon 2x is to 2y upon 5x. X will get cancelled, you get a ratio is 15:4. B option. Y and x will get cancelled, you cross multiply, you get 15:4 ratio. Log 2 is 0.301. So I need to convert this into 2. Log 2. I know log 10 is 1. So automatically, if you look at 10 upon 2 is 5. And log of 10 minus log of 2. If you look at log, if I take log 10 upon 2, is nothing but log 10 minus log 2. I can use this. So start with this. 25:10. 25:10 is 5:20. Right? 5:20. If I remove log, becomes 20 log 5. 20 log 5 can be also written as 20 log 10 upon 2, which can be written as 20 log 10 minus log 2, which is nothing but 21 minus 0.301. 20 into 0.699. This, if you solve, will come to 13 point something, slightly less than 14. Something 13.98 something will come, 98. So 13.9, moment you have 13.9, that means you know there are 14 digits. Because if log of 10 is 1, so when there are 2 digits, you get 1. Log of 100 is 2. When there are 3 digits, you get 2. So log of something is 13.9, which means there should be 14 digits. So 14 is the answer, A option. How many rectangles of dimension 4 and 3 are formed from the lines of a chessboard? So if you look at, there are 8 squares on this side, 8 centimeters. So let's say I want to cover 4 centimeters. I can cover 1 to 4, up to I can cover 5 to 8. The first square can be the first square, or square can be the fifth square. So 1 to 4 or 5 to 8, up to 5 to 8. So 5 ways you can do it. The length. It can be 1 to 4, it can be 2 to 5, 3 to 6, 4 to 7 or 5 to 8. Just to elaborate. Say I want breadth 3. There are 8 squares again out here. I can choose 1 to 3 squares and the last I can choose is 6 to 9. So total 6 ways. First square can be 1 to first square can be 6. So I can choose length 3, breadth, length 4, breadth 3. Okay, or I can choose, so these are 6 ways and 8 ways. This is one way of doing it. I can reverse it. Now these ways squares with 4 and 3. 4 out here, 3 out here. I can also have rectangles of 4 and 3 like this. So if this is 6 into 5, 30 ways. This is 6 into 5, 30 ways. This also will be 6 into 5, 30 ways. So total number of ways will become 60 ways, D option. If I take length 4 and breadth 3, length on this side of the rectangle and breadth on this side, you will get 30 ways. If I reverse it, length on this side and breadth on this side, I'll get 30 more ways. So total will be 60 ways. So 60 is the answer. Thank you.